So hey guys, what is up? Operator was introduced in January 23, 2025, but we still can't use it. Only the pro subscribers who are paying $200 can use it. But don't worry, like I have like a different alternative, open source alternative which you can use for free, I mean with Gemini or like some other models which are free. Um, so this is called browser use and it is currently 37,000 stars and it has been said to perform better than the operator. So like you have a good product to use. So um, this is the GitHub repo of browser use. You can actually see the demos here, like what it can do, like adding grocery items to your checkout and like doing checkout and adding leads from your LinkedIn follower page to the Salesforce or like applying to the jobs using your CV or like many other tasks. Like you can see a lot of examples here and it has been like used by a lot of people, so you have a lot of reviews and a lot of issues that um, like if you face any issue you can actually use the community which has been built over here. So like first of all I'm going to use a very simple way in which you can run this is by like a 4 to 5 lines code. So I mean let's start with that, but I'm going to also give you the example of how you can use it through Gradio or a very good like UI based way. I'm going to leave the timestamp which you can skip to if you want to directly use that. But if you want to use it through code, like let's continue in the video. So first of all, you need to like copy this, install browser use, and like you need to go to the folder. All right, and you need to paste this. So actually, I've already installed it. So and it's not going to like give any issue or any error. It's a like very simple thing. So next is playwright install, which will help. Wait a second. Okay, actually, I've already installed Playwright, so it is going to give access, like the AI access to the Chromium or the browser which it can use or control directly. All right, now you need to like what you need to do is to copy this code, this part of code, and just paste it over in a new .py file. We can call it agent.py. All right. Now, as we have pasted this is going to use GPT-4o. So we need to also paste its OpenAI API key in this .env file. Um, so you can see uh, like the API key over here. All right. Don't try to use it because you will not be able to. So next is how you can like actually test is just run this .py file after doing all this thing. Um, All right, so it is actually, as you can see, it is running. The Chromium window has been opened up, and now it's going to, I think, search for what was the task again? The API prices. Like, I think I clicked by mistake, but yeah, like it's working as you can see. Now let's see how we can use it through the web UI interface, and let's not like burn my tokens of OpenAI. Let's go. Next way to use this is through the UI interface. So what you need to do is just go to the browser use and scroll down to test with UI. Now you can see a link here which will take you to the UI repo and it goes with the name of web UI. So this will like help you to like this will give you a bit better interface and this is what it will look like. Okay, so let's start with the like process. So what we need to do is first create a basic folder anywhere. Like I'm creating a folder in the downloads. So I can name it operator. All right, and let's open a terminal. And what you need to do is next is cd. I have made a folder in the downloads, so I will go downloads. And next thing I'm going to do is to just paste the command which I copied. Sorry, not this one. The next one. Yeah, there is the window. Yeah. So this first command which will clone the this repo and also like make this path. Okay, so it is copied and the path is set. Now next thing is like we are going to use UV for managing the Python environment. Okay, next is like as I'm running on Mac OS, I will copy this command. If you're running on Windows, you need to copy this command and paste this over here. Next is installing dependencies. So like just copy this command uv pip install requirements.txt and this is going to install all the requirements which are required for this project to run. Next is playwright install that we have already like done in the previous part, but we are going to do this again. Now we need to configure the environment, and I'm going to copy the Mac OS one, and you need to copy like the Windows one if you are using a Windows PC. So yeah, okay, like so we have like done all the steps and everything. Now all we need to do is like you can also do this through Docker. Docker installation process is also given. uh, Now you what you need to do is to copy this and run this on one of your ports. Okay, so like this will take 5 to 10 seconds, I think. Okay, so now as you can see, like after running the Python web UI command, it has like it has started running on a port. Now all we need to do is just copy this port, like this address, and go to your browser, any browser, and just paste this in. So as you can see now, you are seeing a web interface of it. Now all you need to do is like just um, like disable security. That's a basic option. And if you like enable recording, I don't think I have any use of it, so I will just disable it. I'm going to use my own browser and keep the browser open means basically just keep the session open. Like if you are using a logged in account or something, it will basically use the same account again, like will not restart from a new tab or a new completely new data. And this is the basic task description which you can change. It has also option of the deep research now which you can use, and results and recordings will be shown here. So now like just test it. OpenAI GPT-4o, and we need to paste the API key over here. If you're using just Gemini one, you can like just go to Google and like you can use Gemini 2.0 Flash. That is the best one, I think, or the Gemini 2.0 Flash Thinking Experimental. That is also a good one, but the Flash one is the fast one and a better one, and like very cheap against the OpenAI API uh, prices. All those things, like all we need to do is to run this command, and it will like just run the browser on our, it will just like run this on some port, and it will give us the links, and it this is what it's going to look like. The vision is on, and you have a lot of options to like tweak with, and you also have an option to deep research which was recently launched by OpenAI. You can use it here. You can also do the recordings and all. So let's not like go towards recording. We can keep the browser open for like a continuous session. If like you are using it with something like, if you are using continuous login account, then you should keep this on, and we can use our own browser or anything. And here you need to paste your API key, which I'm going to paste right now. Wait a second. So I have a OpenAI's API key. So yeah, like I've pasted the API key over here. Now let's just run it. Okay, so it's running now, and as you can see, it's doing its task which we have specified it. So yeah, like that's how you can use yours. That's how you can use this thing. So that's all for this video. Stay tuned for the next video and subscribe to my channel for more such videos and more such AI news. Thank you.